Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing Origami Ninja Kunai model. This is the Origami Ninja Kunai model, as you can see. Let's begin. This Kunai Ninja model will need a A4 sheet of paper. We'll make it into two parts. So first you fold it along the horizontal axis, fold it towards the half like this, and then we tear it. This half we'll use it later. This half we'll use now. So first you fold it like this, edge to edge. Now you fold it again. Open it back. Now you have this flap, you fold it like this on this side, also you fold it on this side. This is very easy model, so let's do it quickly. This one you need to leave a small gap on this side, so let's make it like this. This much gap is I think enough, so fold it. Similarly, let me show it to you. Similarly match the edge here like this, and then you fold it. This way your gap will be equal from both the sides of the center. Alright, now you fold it like this. This will go symmetric till a point, and then the symmetricity is lost. So you do on both the sides like this. Make as pointed as possible on this side because that's the tip of the kunai. Now this flap you fold it like this. This flap you fold it on this side. Now again this entire thing you fold it like this. Similarly we do it on this side. Oops, I think we folded it a lot more. Yeah. Similarly we'll do it on this side. Press it tightly because these are a lot of folds. Now you remove one side portion entirely till this entire flap, and then fold it at the last folding which you folded it, just like this. And then all you need to do is rotate it like this. Pull it tightly and then rotate it. Here you need to glue it, so let me get a glue. Tightly press it and then press it like this. Let me wipe off the glue on all of my fingers. Press it properly. This might take some time to dry up. That's fine. Now as you see, there is this opening here. As you remember, we have made this gap, so we need the second sheet of paper, and here you roll it. Just make a roll slowly like this, and then we'll be able to roll it. Let's roll it properly so that it reaches the other diagonal corner. Roll it tightly so that you have it stiff and hard, because that's the portion where you'll be holding the kunai. Need to glue it. Yeah, so now you put this stick here, the gap which we made, slowly like this it goes in, and then you tighten or pack this gap like this. This is how it looks. You can apply a slight glue on this side, yeah, here, bottom portion, so that this remains stiff. Alright, now here, this portion you need to press it. Almost this much, I think it's fine. Press it, and you need to make a loop, a circle. Like this. And you need to glue it here like this. So the final glue part. This you need to hold it for some time because it won't stick automatically, because there is a lot of resistance, right? So hold it for some time, and that's it. This is your Origami Kunai Ninja model. The finger goes in like this, and yeah. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very easy model. You can play around with it like this, as I play all the time. And don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.